Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Tamika, and on my channel we talk all things lifestyle, a little bit of luxury, a little bit about midlife, and a lot about self-discovery. So thank you for joining me today, and I want to get right into it. For anyone who's new here or who has not been on this journey with me, probably a year, maybe a year and a half ago, I really wanted to change my life, really, to sum it up, change my life and really stop focusing on overconsumption and really trying to discover what clothes I loved, what makeup I loved, just really focusing on just being less of an overconsumer. And so with that journey, I decided to do a Project Pan. And it's morphed and changed throughout the year and a half. And so originally I'd gone through all my items that I had doubles and triples of, and I really worked through getting through most of those items. So now I've really been focusing on really being mindful about what I'm bringing in to my life, into my wardrobe, into my makeup, and making good decisions about whether or not those would be things I would repurchase again or that I have no interest in purchasing ever again. And so I've been taking these opportunities to share that with you. It's been a while since I've shared my empties, and I've been collecting for a while. So I want to play a little game. I want to call it Smash It or Pass It. That's what I'm going to call it. Do I smash it? Is it something that I would purchase again, or am I going to pass it and never ever purchase it again? And I also let you know if I've already repurchased. So I'm gonna start in here, and I finished my first full back of Effordent. So I have Invisalign. So this is what I've been using to clean my Invisalign, and I clean it in a little pod. And so I put this in it in the morning and in the evenings, and I finished my first box of 126 of these. So really proud of that. So I have repurchased this because I really like it. It works really well. Anyone who has Invisalign knows that you want it to feel fresh. You want it to feel good in your mouth. So this is a good way to do it. So this is definitely a smash. And in here I have my Nivea deodorant. I am a huge fan of the Nivea deodorants. Love it. This is also a smash. Here I have the LMS body oil, and I made a previous video about how hard it's been for me to get through my LMS products, and I went full engagement with this oil. Morning, noon, and night, I was oiling up my body. So I spent a very oily couple of months trying to use this up, but I don't think it's something that I would use again. I would say with the LMS products, they have the best smell. I love the way this smells, but this isn't a body oil that I would repurchase. This is a pass. I love a face wipe. This was something that I really wanted to give up. I understand how bad these are for the environment, and I always want to be mindful of that. But in my self-discovery, I have noticed I am really lazy when it comes to taking off my makeup, and I know I should do better. I know I should have all these crazy routines, but at night when I get home from work and I just want to just take off my makeup, I just really just go for a wipe. So I wipe all my makeup off using these, and then I do go in for a cleanse and then shower and do all that good stuff, put my pajamas on and get straight into bed. But these are definitely, I think the Olay ones are a pass. I would not do these again. But I really love these Neutrogena pink grapefruit cleaning wipes. Love these, they're so good. And I think they really help control my acne. Since I have not been using these, my skin has just been really, really oily and a lot more acne prone, and I think it's because I've switched up. So I will be going back to these Neutrogena pink grapefruit. Love them. Smash, pass on the Olays. What are these things called? They're called Flossers. Flossers. I'm just discovering that today. These are called Flossers. My dentist hates that I use this. My dentist was like, just floss like a normal person. Get a normal floss. But again, I'm all about what is easy, and I keep telling her I am flossing. It should not matter if I use the regular string or the Flossers. So I don't know if this is necessarily dentist approved, especially with my dentist, but I love them. I use them, and I've used up this whole bag. What else? Oh, there's some other stuff in here. So I tried the Merit perfume. I had heard so many good things, and I could say I loved it. I love this travel size. So I will get a full size. I don't know when, but it is my plan to get a full size. Love it, love it, love it. It smells so good. I love a gentle smell. It has a floral, gentle smell to it. I think that this to me is something that would be really great in the summertime. Actually, all seasons. And all seasons kind of smell, because the floral smell is something that can be really done all year long. I really enjoy the Merit. So a full size of this. This is a smash. Loved it. I will be getting this again. Merit. Love it. This is an eyeliner from the brand Thrive, another makeup brand that I love. This has already been repurchased. This is the only eyeliner that I use. Love it. Thrive eyeliner. Perfect. Perfect eyeliner. Okay, the Dove Serum and Radiance Oil Body Wash. Why am I just learning about this? This is a smash ×2. This is one of the best body washes I've tried at the lowest price point. So, for example, this one. Satier, a very expensive body wash. This is also an oil infused. I love moisture. I love oils. So if I'm gonna buy a body wash, I love for them to be oil infused. Dove wins hands down. I truly believe that this is one of the best body washes out there. This is a pass. I would not repurchase this. No interest in this. This is a smash. Dove, you did right. And why aren't more people talking about this? This is the Nivea body lotion for dry skin. You know, I love Nivea products. I would probably repurchase this. I think I used this so long ago, I can't even really remember if I loved it or not, which is not saying much. I just think it's just fine. I think as we get into the winter seasons, the fall winter seasons, I like to wear my Neutrogena body oil. I have veered away from lotions for some strange reason, but I think that this is a smash, but I don't know if I would repurchase it. I think it just works just fine. So kind of a smashy passy, I don't know. Another Nivea deodorant, quick dry, loved it, smash. Cereal Milk Soft Serve body wash from Bath & Body Works. This actually does smell like cereal. It smells like Fruity Pebbles, to be exact. So brought a lot of memories, Fruity Pebbles memories. Would I purchase again? No. Did I have fun while I was using it and it smelled great and I felt like I smelled like a bowl of Fruity Pebbles? Yes. This is a pass, but it's fun if you're looking for something fun. This is a body lotion. This was magnesium. Because of my perimenopause, I just wanted to use more magnesium products to help with my sleep, so I only use this at night. I didn't find that it really worked or did anything significant, and I believe this is also from Bath & Body Works as well, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, it is a Bath & Body Works product. This is a pass. I would not repurchase this. Don't waste your time. If you're looking for a good magnesium lotion, I'm pretty sure there are better ones on the market. Another lotion from Bath & Body Works was A Touch of Gold. Love the smell, love it. This is a smash. I would repurchase it again. Yeah. I love it. All right, so This is something that I was tricked into purchasing. And I say I was tricked into purchasing is because I saw it on TikTok. And on TikTok, everyone was raving about carpet deodorizer, upholstery deodorizer. I have a cat, so I'm always really mindful about smells and fabrics and carpets, and got caught on TikTok, and everyone said this was the best thing to get rid of smells in your carpets. And I thought it was pretty lame. This is the pass. So the Bel Air upholstery deodorizer by Mavwix Fragrances. This was not cheap. See how small this is? I can't remember the price that I paid on TikTok, but it sure wasn't worth it, and it was a waste of money and a waste of time. I use a lot of deodorant. I'm gonna chuck it up to the fact that these cans are small, because when I have a solid deodorant, I don't use it as quickly. I think that these cans, how many? 6 ounces. I just think they're really small. You tell me in the comments, is it normal to go through this much deodorant? Or is it because the containers are just 6, I think that says 6. I don't have my glasses, so I can't see. Either 5 or 6 ounces, super small. Love it. This is actually my favorite one. The Protect and Care is my favorite one of the Nivea deodorants, so I just been having a hard time finding it, so I've bought the other ones in lieu of, but this is my favorite. Nivea does a deodorant right. All right, we're getting down to it. I have another fragrance here. This is Dossier Citrus Green Apple. And I think I've mentioned this before, but my husband loves the smell of apple fragrances on me. So that's why I purchased this one from Dossier. It's a delightful smell. Would I repurchase it? No. I like the Kayali apple, so that would be something that I would get before ever repurchasing this, but it was fine. Alrighty. Oh yeah, this one. Aloe. Aloe makes body oil. I brought this to work, so I was using this at work. I don't know the cost of this little thing, but I know it was super expensive, and I just wanted to try it out to see whether or not I would be interested in getting a bigger bottle, and this is a pass. And I think most of Aloe's items are passes. Way too expensive. I don't understand it. I don't understand that price point. It's crazy to me. Some Colgate toothpaste. I love Colgate. This is a smash. I tried the Tamika anti-humidity spray. This here really gets impacted by humidity. I don't know if it was working or not. It smelled great. It made my hair feel good. Do I know if it was anti-humidity? I don't know. But I guess it was fine. I'll pass. This is not something I would buy again. I hear the Tamika products are good, but yeah, this is a pass. One of my favorite acne foaming washes, Pan Oxyl. This is a smash times 10. If you are suffering, if you are acne prone, Pan, heaven sent, love it. One of the best out there. This is a hair oil, rose, smooth, and strengthening hair blend. Hair oil, I would say this is a pass. This is not something I would purchase again. I'm really trying to get my obsession with hair oils under control. I think as I've been really focusing on my hair care journey, I don't want to say that I don't think that they don't work, because I do believe that they could work for some people, but I am going back to the hair care products that I used growing up when my hair was so much better. And honestly, it's just normal hair grease. Like, when did we get obsessed with hair oils? Why aren't we just greasing our scalp like we did, at least I did, in my generation as we were growing up? And as I've gotten older, I've started using all these other things, and I don't want to blame hair oils. I don't think that that's the only reason, but I think that they are overrated, and I think we need to go back to greasing our scalp like we did growing up. That's my tangent. So This is my bag full of empties that is going to go in the recycle bin. So I think that I'm doing really well with really identifying the things that I will repurchase again, that I loved, that I know work well for me. And I'm not just buying things just to buy them anymore. I'm really buying things that are additive into my life and that make me feel good. Because I think that even though I'm focusing on not over consuming, I still want to buy and do things that I love that make me feel good. And I think that that's something to think about if you are on this over consumption journey and you're really trying to get your arms wrapped around not over consuming anymore, is don't forget about the things that you love. If you love a good body wash from Bath and Body Works that smells good, that you love and makes you feel good, don't necessarily not purchase it because you don't want to overconsume. Maybe just purchase one, use it, and purchase another one. Just use up your stuff. And I think that that will really help you get your arms around that overconsumption, just like it helped me. You use it and then you buy the next thing. And you know, that's what I've learned on this journey. And I could say at 51, you could still learn. So I do believe that you can teach an old dog a new trick. So thank you for watching today. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below. If you are in the Project Pan journey right now, please let me know how it's going. I want to build a community here so that we're connecting and we're talking with each other and that we're also supporting each other. You could also find me on TikTok here, or I have a Substack right here that you could also learn more and follow for more kind of tidbits as well as I go through this particular journey. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.